relationship for the sign of Sagittarius. One card for what's currently happening in your life. Let's take one card for what's currently happening in your life, or what's coming in your life for the next few days. Okay. So right now, many of you guys with Page of Pentacles in the reverse, things could not be going your way. Okay, for many of you, I feel like right now whoever you're connecting with, whoever you consider your soulmate, isn't willingly investing into this connection. I also see blockage in communication. In the past, things were however good, okay, but right now, even after having a love for each other and even knowing that you have already met your person, your pride and your ego is getting in the way. There is lack of willingness to open up, lack of willingness to start a conversation. Okay, give me one more card as to what's happening in Sagittarius soulmate connections. Okay, with King of Cups, I do feel like there is love here. Okay, the love is also mutual, but the problem is that you guys are not really expressing it. Okay, for some of you, you guys could be dealing with someone new. Okay, for selected few of you, not all of you, but some of you, I feel like you guys are dealing with someone new. If it's not the new person, then it's the past person. Take what resonates in your case. But I feel like the love is there, but the person is not initiating any sort of conversation. That's kind of irritating you, and you both guys are thinking from the point of ego and pride, and that's always getting in the way. Okay, so yeah, in terms of how do they view you now, Sagittarius soulmate, for the month of November, next 10 days. They view you as their second, like their other half. Okay, their soulmate, their equal. Okay, they look at you as someone who's meant for them, someone who fits right for them, someone who's their puzzle. Okay, someone who just fits right. Okay, so I definitely feel like there is a lot of love here. Okay, fire signs have been very positive this November, so I do feel like many of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, and you know that this is your person, but still your pride is getting in the way. It's either your side or their side or both sides. Okay, but I do feel that the love is definitely there. They look at you as their soulmate, as their other half. Okay, how do they think of you now? One card for how do they think of you now, Sagittarius soulmate. With High Priestess, however, they look at you as someone who has a lot of knowledge, someone who's very, like they see you as someone who's very connected with their higher self, with their spiritual self. Okay, it could also be that some of you they see as if you have a strong intuition. Okay, and I definitely feel like they feel currently that you're hiding from them, and you are staying away from them because you are wanting to come up with a solid solution to the problem, or you are thinking about something and you're definitely wanting to act on it. Okay, the reason why you're holding back, I believe you could have started resisting a bit or trying to act detached a bit with the High Priestess. How they think about it with the High Priestess, they definitely feel like you're ghosting them. Okay, in straight words. Okay, with the Death card, I do feel like you initiated it in the past. Okay, and they look at you as someone who's trying to stay at a distance. Maybe they were responsible for it in some which way, but definitely they look at you as someone who's holding back, and they do not know exactly what you're thinking. Okay, so yes, one card for their energy towards you now, Sagittarius soulmate energy towards Sagittarius, please. With Four of Wands, it's a very positive card. Some of you could be dealing with a possible twin flame. Not all of you can't have a twin flame, but some of you, selected few of you who know and who have that feeling of that you are in a twin flame connection, might be dealing with one. Okay, not all of you. Certainly not all of you, but with Four of Wands, their energy towards you, they are wanting to get into something stable with you. They look at you as someone who is marriage material, as someone who they would want to be in a special connection, one to one. Okay, with Magician card, they're definitely looking forward to it. In terms of their current feelings, towards you. In terms of the current feelings, they are not expressing. Okay, that could have got in the way. They are not expressing. Okay, some of you could be dealing with a possible Libra or a Gemini. It doesn't have to be, but I feel like your person is not expressing, and that's getting in the way. They behave a little detached even after having all this feelings for you. Okay, top card we have is Eight of Cups. Yes, they are definitely behaving detached. In the past, we have Magician. So in the past, there was some sort of positive moment, but right now things have got a bit stagnant. I won't say that things are dead, but things have definitely got a bit stagnant and a bit practical, which you do not like much. Okay, so one card for how do they feel about you when they think of you? Like, what do they truly have for you? Right now, to be very honest, Eight of Swords, they are stuck. They cannot think right now. They are very much overthinking. Okay, this could be a possible air sign because they are overthinking. They feel like they are blocked in some which way, or they cannot make a very easy moment towards you, a very free moment towards you. Okay, top card we have here is Five of Cups in the reverse. Please note that for some of you, selected few of you, you guys could have gone through a ending, like a possible breakup, but your person is still stuck on you. No matter what has happened, this person is still very much stuck on you. They haven't moved on. Give me another card as to how do they feel about you when they think of you or miss you. Might be they confuse you a lot into believing that they do not have anything for you, because they always behave with a sword upright, so very practical, very rude, very detached, like they have nothing at all. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, definitely they are wanting to hold on to you. Definitely they are wanting to have much more stable connection with you. Okay, top card we have is Five of Pentacles. Right now I feel like they feel ghosted. Okay, they feel like things are not very positive in this reading and things need to be fixed, but they are not exactly opening up about it. Okay, so what can you expect in terms of action from this person? Even after having all these feelings, this person is not acting on it, like not really opening up about it. Okay, so right now I feel like this person will hold back in some which way, but they're definitely going to reach back. Right now they are very much holding back. Okay, so right now you might not be able to hear from them, like there might be no communication whatsoever, and they are also wanting to make you feel like they do not have much, when in reality they do. Okay, bottom card we have Magician, top card we have Two of Swords. So this person still needs to make a decision. Okay, they might be like wanting to have more time, like before coming towards you. Okay, with Seven of Wands, they are definitely kind of taking a step back from you. I'll be very honest with you here. With Four of Cups, they are right now they are resisting. Right now there is resistance, complete resistance. You might not want to believe me when I tell you this, that they are willing to come forward, but they are. Okay, but they are going to take time. Okay, so in terms of their intentions towards you, one card for their intentions towards you. In terms of intentions, they want to keep you in the cold. Okay, like they are not really wanting to open up much. They are not wanting to exactly tell you what they feel, how they feel, what they want, how they want it with you. Nothing. They are wanting to keep you in the dark. Like they are wanting to keep secrets from you. Okay, in terms of opening up, this is majorly relating their feelings for you. Okay, with Judgment card, overall I see them wanting to have a second shot with you, and with Magician card, they are definitely going to come back. Okay, give it some time. Okay, they definitely want you, no matter what they say to you verbally. Deep down they're still wanting you. Okay, so one card for where this connection is going forward. Where is this connection going forward? The next 10 days, where do we see this connection going forward in Sagittarius and their soulmate? With Eight of Pentacle, it will definitely need a lot of work, but I do see it getting somewhere. With Wheel of Fortune, this is definitely a connection that's going to possibly move forward in the future. Right now, things are looking a bit stagnant, and you both are acting from the point of your pride. Okay, you are getting your pride in between, and that's not going to help you in any which way. For the next few days, I still see some stagnancy because your person needs to make their mind, and they are still holding back. They are still wanting to make a decision based on it. Till the time they make their mind and make their decision and want to come in forward, they might take some time. Like they might make you believe that they do not want you because they are taking so much time. Okay, so what's the main blockage that's getting in the way? What's the main blockage that's getting in the way? Do they have another person? What is it? Blockage is they are not wanting to take that leap of faith forward. Okay, and in the past, whatever happened between the two of you is still affecting them, and they are still using the past as a main factor into not wanting to come forward. Okay, they feel like whatever they do like right now is still not going to work. With Five of Pentacles, they might feel like you are much more better than them, and you have a much more stable life than them, and they could not really provide much to you, and that could be affecting them. If you triggered them into believing that they are not better than you, then that's still affecting them. I see major blockage being them not wanting to take that risk, or not wanting to take that leap of faith forward. Okay, top card again we have is Two of Wands. They are still making their mind could take a lot of time. Okay, so yes, so one card for what do they want from you now. If we may ask Spirit, what do they want from you now? So we have a card. Right now this person wants you to hold on. Okay, they do not want you to give up. Okay, possibly they want you to hold on till the time they reach back. Okay, they want some assurance that you're going to hold on to them. Okay, so how do they view this connection that they share with you? One card for how do they view this connection they share with you. They definitely feel like this has the potential of going full circle, but right now they see that it needs a lot of work. Okay, this connection for some of you might have gone through a lot of ups and downs for the past 7 months, but I definitely feel like this has the shot of moving forward because there's a lot of love there. Okay, one more card as to what or how they see you now, like what they think you are up to. They feel like you are open to other people. Okay, they feel like you're open to dating. Okay, they feel like you're behaving very practical and you're not wanting to be emotional at all. They definitely feel like some of you might move on from them and might want to look and explore your options. Okay, so they feel like you're not affected like the way they are. Okay, and that could have been affecting them in some which way. Okay, their love messages for you. What are they wanting to say to you now? I just need some time to think. So yes, just like I told you, it's relating. one more card. What I wanted to say to you now. Okay. My life is and will be empty without you. So they definitely feel like you are the one for them, and if you are not willing to be a part of them, then their life is like very much going to be empty without you. And last, I fear you rejecting my real self. Just like I told you, they fear opening up, and they fear they do not have much to offer. Okay. And commitment in the future is your final card. So this relationship, whichever you are part of, yes, it's difficult, but it is not impossible. Okay, so yes, this is what I have for you. If it resonated with you in any which way, please do consider hitting the like button, support the channel, subscribe, comment. If you want a personal reading with me, come reach out on my DM on Instagram on Divine Soul Guidance, or you could reach out on my WhatsApp. The number is given below, or you could reach out on my email, that is divinesoultarot09@gmail.com. Thank you guys, and see you soon, and happy month of November. Cheers.